Guy, tire change, 2015 Chevy Malibu. Get the spare out. This little clip will come up and hold itself on your trunk if you don't know that. So you can put that up there and clip it. Get your spare out. Alright. Go to the foot test. It's firm. That's good signs. Alright, so this vehicle has a pad right there. You can see the dimple on the dimple. That's where your jack's gonna go. I'll go ahead and get that cranked up. I'm gonna set the emergency brake on this one, especially because it's in the dirt. So you don't want to change tires without setting the emergency brake, especially in the dirt. Now that that's set, I'll go ahead and get the jack started. The socket size you'll need is 7/8. You want to check all your lug nuts, make sure none are damaged before you start. None are, so we'll go ahead and get these off. Alright, jack it up the rest of the way. That should be good to put our spare on. Alright, always hand tighten your lug nuts as much as you can, at least 4 times. Once you have them started pretty good, you can impact them or turn them with your 4-way or your tire iron. Use your crisscross pattern and run all the way around, making sure they're all completely tight. And you can let your jack down and release your emergency brake so you don't forget to do it later. Press the button, lift up, and then let down, and that's how you release the emergency brake. That's a tire change on a 2015 Chevy Malibu. Hope that helped. Have a great day.